Looking for something unique to do at Walt Disney World that's free only during the holidays? Well, let me share with you. I call it the Gingerbread House Crawl. Resort hop around to different Disney properties using the free transportation to see the gingerbread house displays in the lobbies of many hotels only during Christmas time. I will show you how to complete this fun adventure that anyone can do, and no park ticket is needed. Let's get started at the Grand Floridian. Here's some footage of the gingerbread house that is normally in the lobby. But this year, in 2025, there is no house because they just finished construction of the lobby. But for future reference, this will return next year and you'll want to check it out because it's very impressive. Let me show you. First stop is at the Grand Floridian. We were staying at this resort, but to get here, you can take a bus from your resort to the Magic Kingdom, then hop on the monorail and ride it around to the Grand Floridian. Look how ginormous this gingerbread house is in the lobby. Here are the things that are available for purchase inside the gingerbread house. So when you come to the lobby, anybody can come and anybody can purchase these things. And you'll come in and head downstairs. Here's an example of a lot of the things too. There's the gingerbread house right down there. And it's quite busy right now. This thing is huge. Wow. The details. So over here they've got like representation of different princesses. See Snow White, Cinderella. Then if you can zoom in over here, you can also see Mickey, Minnie, Donald. The gingerbread house, this is when the stuff inside is available for purchase. So I'm going to show you guys. There's an actual like store inside of the gingerbread house. Like they sell gingerbread treats out of the gingerbread house. So they sell actual gingerbread treats out of the gingerbread house here. That's how big this gingerbread house is. It is huge. And make sure you see the gingerbread house both from the lobby and from the second story. It's super impressive. Plus, from up above, you can see just how big this gingerbread house is. And then also there's some fun things that you can only see from up top from this view. After you're done admiring the gingerbread house, you're going to head out back again to the monorail, and you're going to hop on the monorail, and it's going to take you around to the next resort, which is the Contemporary Resort, where we're going to see another gingerbread house. Now get off at the Contemporary, and I want to show you something fun at this painting here on the wall as you exit the monorail at the Contemporary. On this wall, this painting right here, this is a Mary Blair painting, and she did the Small Worlds renderings and stuff. And up there is a 5-legged goat. You see that? Look at the beautiful gingerbread castle. This is at the Contemporary Resort. On the 4th floor, you can ride the monorail around. Oh, it smells so good in here. Look, I see Hidden Mickey already. Right there. Okay, what makes me laugh about this is there's a hidden goat, one hidden 5-legged goat, because here at the Contemporary, if you look when you get off the monorail, there is a Mary Blair painting along that long painting up and down each wall, and there's a 5-legged goat over there on the wall. Okay, I found the 5-legged hidden goat. So there's 13 hidden Mickeys, and then look, there's the 5-legged goat. Remember, everywhere you go, there are pin boards. Literally everywhere. And this is in here in the lobby at the Contemporary. Well, on the 4th floor. We came back to Magic Kingdom, and now we're going to get on the bus for Yacht and Beach Club. So here's the bus. And we're gonna be on the bus for Yacht and Beach Club. We're kind of doing a little gingerbread house crawl. We started at the Grand Floridian, which is where we're staying. And then we saw the gingerbread house there. Then we took a monorail over to the Contemporary, got off there, looked at the gingerbread house in the Contemporary. Then we got back on the monorail, rode it back all the way around to Magic Kingdom, got off at Magic Kingdom. Then we transferred and went and got on a bus. And now we are here at the Beach Club Resort, and we're gonna see the gingerbread house here. So again, utilizing all of the free transportation here at Walt Disney World. I will tell you though, this takes like some time. Like if you're trying to get into any of these places quickly, you don't want to use all that transportation, because this is more of like a leisurely crawl. So if this is something you're interested in, these are the ways to go about it. And I'm going to show you the gingerbread house. We are right here at Beach Club now. Oh, you could smell in the lobby again. This entire merry-go-round is made out of gingerbread. Wow. Look, there's Jiminy Cricket. Wow. There's Scrooge, Jock. Ebenezer Scrooge. So it looks like the theme for this is like, oh my goodness. Okay, let's take a look at this. What does this say? Okay, so this is the Christmas Carol. That's the theming of this gingerbread house. And on here there are 2,023 pieces of gingerbread, 24 hidden gold Mickeys. Okay, so let's go look for some of the gold hidden Mickeys. Gold hidden Mickeys. I can't believe this is all made out of gingerbread. Okay, there's a gold hidden Mickey. Back in there. There's hidden Mickeys along the bottom. We just did a whole bunch of racing. Okay, here. And then here's another horse that is not on the carousel, but is part of the display. Okay, then also here in the lobby, just like they have at the Grand Floridian, they have a gingerbread like station where you can purchase gifts and stuff over here. Next stop on our gingerbread house stroll, we just left the beach club. Then I'm going to show you, we could either walk around the boardwalk or we could take a boat over to the boardwalk. So this area is called the boardwalk. Let me show you. All right, so this area out here is called the boardwalk. We just left Beach Club. So this is the Beach Club Resort. Right next door is the Yacht Club. So these two are around here. And then down there, I've done videos. Down there is where you get into Epcot, where you go into Epcot through the International Gateway. And then across the way, that's the boardwalk. And then you have the Swan and Dolphin. And then you're back to Yacht Club. So we're gonna go right over there to the lighthouse. We're gonna catch a boat, and the boat's gonna take us all the way across over to boardwalk. Now, could we walk all the way around the boardwalk? We sure could. But we wanna use another form of transportation. We're gonna get on a boat. Okay, here's a different view. So there is Yacht Club, Beach Club. Way over there you can see the Skyliner coming into Epcot to the International Gateway. Down here, we're gonna get on one of the friendship boats. It's gonna take us to Boardwalk and Epcot. But we're not going to Epcot, we're just going to Boardwalk. Or the boat will take you to the Swan, Dolphin, and Hollywood Studios. So, these are the friendship boats. Again, they are free. So here it tells you which side to line up on for which boat. So we're gonna get on the boat that takes us over to Boardwalk. So that's Beach Club, where we just saw one of the gingerbread houses, and we're headed across the way over to Boardwalk over there. Okay, and here comes our boat. All over there along the boardwalk, there are places where you can eat, and oftentimes they will have entertainment going on as well. Okay, and now we're on the other side. We are here at the boardwalk. We're gonna go check out the gingerbread house inside the lobby here. We are here at the boardwalk, and all along here there are shops, places to eat. It's just like being at the boardwalk. Now we're gonna go into the lobby and see their gingerbread house they have here. That they have a tree in their courtyard too. Okay, first of all, gorgeous lobby, fun tree. They also have gingerbread cookies throughout the day, and then their house is right here. Disney's Boardwalk, happy holidays. Oh, this is truly a gingerbread house up the Boardwalk Deli. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Look at them baking inside the window. Wow. Okay, look how cute. Okay, this is just adorable. I mean, the signs, the windows, the trees, everything. Wow, impressive. Oh, there's a hidden Mickey. There's several hidden Mickeys there. Then on the back side is a roller coaster, a wooden roller. This I think is in the lobby all the time. Look at this gorgeous lobby. Boardwalk is definitely on one of my let's stay here, must do resorts. I love the theming here, and it smells so good in here. Anyway, super cute gingerbread display. Love it. Here, let's come over here and I'll show you. All of the gingerbread houses tell you like fun facts about how they were made, all these things, and then like how many hidden Mickeys and whatever. So that's what this one is made of. And then, my goodness, it's so cute. I mean, look at the clock. Even the clock has all those hidden Mickeys. So cute. The windows, all the characters. Cute. Okay, there must not be like a specific number of hidden Mickeys for this one, but super cute nonetheless. And like I said, you can get treats here too, from 2 to 9:30. This has been a really fun crawl as far as seeing all of the different gingerbread houses. I'm calling it a crawl because I don't know what else to call it. But anyway, we saw 4 of the 5. So there is a 5th gingerbread house that we are not going to make it over to, but it is the Animal Kingdom Lodge, which I've stayed there. Love that resort. The views of the savannah, awesome. The animals. Anyway, so this is a fun thing to do if you want to hop on and use the Disney transportation to get around and just kind of familiarize yourself with the area. Being inside the Disney bubble is so magical and just so much fun. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, make sure you like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and share with your friends. And Merry Christmas, everyone.